Warning: content contains comedy. Listen at your own risk and near a toilet facility. Item number SCP-2337. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-237 is to be kept in a standard avian habitat cell with soundproofing. Personnel are required to wear level 26M ear protection while handling SCP-237. Transportation for SCP-237 is to be carried out using a portable soundproof crate. Though SCP-237 has no need for nutrition, gummy worms are to be provided upon request, and not restricted as a reward for good behavior. Due to SCP-237's poor grasp of cause and effect, punishments and rewards will inevitably result in frustration on part of involved personnel. As of May 12, 2014, all staff are advised to not attempt to emulate SCP-237's speech patterns in its presence and are assured that SCP-237 understands some degree of human English. Description: SCP-237 is a male corncrake. It is sapient, sentient, and capable of speech. All of its vocalizations are extremely loud, with a minimum observed of 90 decibels of volume, and a maximum blank. Though this can and has caused damage to personnel's hearing, SCP-237 is oblivious of its ability and is generally friendly with Foundation personnel. SCP-237's vocalizations take the form of a language tangentially related to English. It often appears to be word salad, but upon closer inspection can have meaning in English through a series of vague innuendo, metaphors, rhyme, and arbitrary insertions of the word cack. As such, SCP-237 will answer to the name Dr. Spanko. Initial reports of 237 came from unusual noises from a field near Blank, Sussex, UK, which led to its capture in the same area. Upon containment, SCP-237 appeared to take hostile action against Foundation personnel, emitting blasts of noise that ruptured the eardrums of 3 agents. Upon later examination, it was revealed that SCP-237 was attempting to make friendly conversation. Addendum: since the containment of SCP-237, several sapient creatures contained by the Foundation have displayed knowledge of its existence and have expressed interest in a meeting with SCP-237. The reason for this has yet to be fully understood, though it is believed that SCP-237 has some sort of status as an authority figure to several particularly dangerous beings. Keter reclassification has been proposed for this reason, but it is currently denied due to SCP-237's apparent cooperation with the Foundation. Interview below. Please state your name for the record.
I'm Cousin Eric Dr. Spickleflick Sarcoliacally named separate SCP-233 and Stephen and communicate across the state.
Thank you.
And now!
Listen, SCP-237.
It's me! Jack!
You seem to have a pre-established relationship with sorts of the more dangerous creatures in our custody.
And how?
Yes. Please elaborate on the exact nature of this relationship.
It shall be done, Sharpo. That was our son, Chucky Malia's for sword, and don't come packing with stubborn hostility cakes for my stuff. They begin to grow bored and build up one Chesapeake day. Toads unknown Kadat, my good liver. The 3-ring of bubble stack over and over. Alakazam! Kick!
Please repeat that statement in the dialect used by the Foundation.
10 more, X-Lax!
SCP-237 begins yodeling for 3 consecutive minutes. Please discontinue yodeling.
And kick more sense!
We need you to cooperate and explain your answer in a coherent way.
Mitochondria on my noses? And what does big a face I send for shame? Yes. I'll get the right query, Q, my lessons.
You're not hearing me, are you?
Only with the Nabakaska Caglip. Amigo solid kick!
Cack.
What a you home is a profound disappointment.
Stagnations, Dr. Sminkle, cack. You are no third here explaining right.
SCP-237 begins cacking angrily, then proceeds to climb up Dr. Blank's face and attempt to peck his eyes out. SCP-237 is quickly stayed with a tranquilizer dart, and Dr. Blank suffers only minor scratches. This has been noted the only time that SCP-237 has displayed hostility.